Okay guys, thought I'd make a quick video here. So these are the 350Z Brembo calipers. The spacing here between these two caliper bolt holes is the same as it is on the Z31. But so I got these new coilovers, these Power Tricks. On my old ones, on the old spindle, I originally drilled it out for M14 bolts, and that was such a pain. I don't know what this is made of, but it's like super hardened steel, and I went through like 2 or 3 drill bits trying to get that drilled out. So I talked with Patrick, and I used his method that he got from someone else. It actually works really well so far. So what you've got here, let me put the camera down for a second, show you. So what you've got here is a Timesert. It's like a threaded insert for like thread repair. These are really strong. They shouldn't have no problem with calipers. So yeah, and the thread on this is actually perfect. It threads right into the Brembo 350Z calipers. See? And that just threads down in there, and then it accepts an M12 bolt, so it'll go right through the stock spindle caliper bolt holes, which is nice. You don't have to drill them out. So this method, you just kind of apply a little red thread locker. That's the like high strength red thread locker, Loctite, and then thread them in. I didn't even use a tool. I just used a bolt and a nut. And yeah, like that. Just kind of put it on there and use the nut to lock it, and then just kind of thread it in. Put a little thread sealant on it so it'll stay. And then just go ahead. Camera here. It's hard to do with one hand. There we go. So just thread that in and use 2 wrenches to get this nut off. And you're pretty much ready to go. The only other thing you'll have to do is grab a couple of washers. I use these 2 here, and just it spaces the caliper correctly over the rotor, so the rotor's centered in the middle here. So thanks for coming to my TED Talk. That's it.